NCSC CAF Cyber Assessment Framework. For more cybersecurity tips and advice, don't forget to like and subscribe. The Cyber Assessment Framework, CAF, is the UK National Cyber Security Centre's outcome-based tool for assessing and improving cyber resilience of essential functions. Built around 4 objectives, 14 principles, and 39 contributing outcomes, it underpins the NIS Regulations, GovAssure, and is now in version 4.0, August 2025, with new coverage for AI risk, secure software development and threat hunting. The 4 objectives and 14 principles. A. Managing security risk. Understand and own the risk. A. 1. Governance. A. 2. Risk management. A. 3. Asset management. A. 4. Supply chain. B. Protecting against cyber attack. Proportionate preventive controls. B1 Service protection policies. B2 Identity and access control. B3 Data security. B4 System security. B5 Resilient networks and systems. B6 Staff awareness. C. Detecting cybersecurity events. Spot threats early. C1 Security monitoring. C2 Proactive security event discovery. D. Minimizing impact of incidents. Respond and recover. D1 Response and recovery planning. D2 Lessons learned. Each of the 14 principles breaks down into contributing outcomes, 39 in total. Each contributing outcome is judged against a set of indicators of good practice, IGPs, and assigned one of 3 statuses by expert judgment and evidence, never as a tick box exercise. Not achieved. The outcome is not met. A single serious shortfall or missing indicator is typically enough to land here. Partially achieved. Some indicators in place and delivering meaningful resilience improvement, more than a token effort, but gaps remain. Achieved. Outcome fully met. All key indicators present and working, minor exceptions only if compensating controls exist. A profile sets the target status for each contributing outcome based on threat level. Basic profile covers common attackers, enhanced profile covers advanced, well-resourced adversaries. Sector regulators, competent authorities, define which profile applies and may add sector-specific requirements. Implementation roadmap, step by step. A 7-step path from scoping to continuous improvement. 1. Scope essential functions. Identify the services whose disruption would matter, and the systems supporting them. Document owners and dependencies. 2. Agree the target profile. Confirm basic or enhanced with your competent authority. Note sector overlays, GovAssure, NHS, Ofgem, Ofcom, etc. 3. Baseline self-assessment. Walk all 39 contributing outcomes. Record evidence and an honest achieved/partial/not achieved status. 4. Gap analysis and prioritization. Compare current to target profile. Rank gaps by risk to essential function and effort to close. 5. Remediation plan. Assign owners, budget, and deadlines for each gap. Tie to MFA, monitoring, supply chain and incident response work already in flight. 6. Independent/regulator review. Submit via WebCAF, GovAssure, or your competent authority. Reviewer challenges evidence and confirms status. 7. Continuous improvement. Treat CAF as a living posture, not an annual exercise. Rebaseline when threat changes, after every incident, and against each new CAF version. Version 3.1, version 3.2, version 4.0 brought new MFA, secure development and AI risk expectations. Common pitfalls and practical tips. Watch out for treating CAF as a checklist. It is outcome-based, polished documents without evidence will fail. Ignoring legacy/OT. CAF applies to IT and operational technology. Legacy estates often struggle with MFA and patching IGPs. Single weak indicator. One missing IGP can drop the whole contributing outcome to not achieved. Confusing CAF with certification. There is no CAF certificate. What counts is a defensible, evidenced position. Forgetting supply chain. A4. Third-party risk is one of the most commonly under-evidenced areas. What good looks like. Map evidence once, reuse everywhere. Most ISO 27001/NIST CSF artifacts already satisfy CAF outcomes. Use NCSC supporting guidance. Read it alongside each principle. IGPs are starting points, not the full bar. Engage your competent authority early. Sector profile and acceptable compensating controls vary. Prioritize by impact on essential function. Close gaps that change risk, not the easiest first. Plan for CAF version 4.0. Build AI risk, secure software development and threat hunting evidence now. GovAssure currently uses version 3.2 but will move on.